Hello friends, welcome to Technovision Services by Manna sir. Our today topic to be covers are operators in C language. Means we will see unary operator, relational operator, comparison operator, logical operator, ternary operator and bitwise operators. But in single video it will be too long to cover all topics. So in part 1 we will cover unary operator, in part 2 we will cover relational, comparison operators, logical operators and ternary operators, and there will be third or separate part of bitwise operators. Operators are important for learning the C program as well as is also important for aptitude test. Means there will be 3 to 4 questions which will cover from the operator topic itself. So let's start. What is unary operators? Since they always required only one, that is single operand or variable to operate, therefore called unary operator. Plus plus is known as increment operator and minus minus is known as decrement operator. Plus plus means increment operator increase the operand value by 1 and decrement operator decrease the operand value by 1. There are two types of unary operator, means pre and post. So what is pre operator? Syntax. What is syntax? Operator then operand, means we have to always use operator first then operand. For example, plus plus x means operator comes before operand, therefore it is called pre. Minus minus x, so it is also pre operator, means pre unary operator we can say. How it works? Since in this case operand value is incremented or decremented by 1 before assignment, therefore called pre. Means it will first perform the increment or decrement operations before assignment, therefore called pre. So let's see through an example how it's work. Int x equal to 10, means we have initialized value 10 with the variable x. Now on next line, int y equal to plus plus x, means first it will increment the value then assign. Similarly for z we have written minus minus x, means initial value of x is 10, so y value will becomes 11 because it will first increment and then assign. Therefore y value will become 11, whereas z value will be 10. Why? How it's work? Let's see. Means it will first increment the operand value by 1, then assign the updated value to the y. Similarly for x minus minus, first it will decrement 11 with value by 1, so it becomes 10. So 10 will be assigned to variable z, therefore z will be 10. So y equal to 11, z equal to 10 and x equal to 10. So that is the output. What is post? See the syntax. Operand first and then operator. So here it is opposite to pre, means first operand then operator we have to write. For example, x plus plus, x minus minus. So these are post unary operator. Similarly it can be anything, therefore it is called post. Since in this case operand value is incremented or decremented by 1 after assignment of old or previous value, therefore called post. For example, x equal to 10 means we have declared a variable int and int type variable x and initial value is 10. So it is initialized with 10. Now at the line y we have used post unary operator means x plus plus. Here we have written the operand first and then we have used plus plus. Therefore this is what is called post. Means first x value will be assigned to y, after that x value will be incremented by 1. So therefore it is known as post. Means y will assign the old value or previous value 10 to the variable y. After that x value will be incremented by 1. Means at the line of y variable we will get the value 10. So therefore it will assign y equal to 10 value itself, and then it will increment the value by 1. So therefore x will now becomes 11. So when it goes to the variable z, so 11 value will be assigned to variable z. After that operations will be performed. Means 11 will be decremented by 1 after assignment of the value 11 to the variable z. So therefore we will get z equal to 11 because at the time of y it was incremented by 1, but after assignment, not before. So therefore y equal to 10, z equal to 11, x equal to 10. We get the output. Example, practical example, as include stdio.h void main, then declare the variable int x, y, z. Now take input through printf function. Printf, enter any one int value, scanf %d comma ampersand x. So we have taken input for x here, y equal to plus plus x and z equal to minus minus x. So print the output /n after operation value of value of x equal to %d /t, y equal to %d /t, z equal to %d, then we have to print x, y and z, semicolon. So let's save it, unary demo.c, then compile and run, or we can also use shortcut F11 in Dev C++. Let's put the value 10 itself. See the output. After operation, value of x is 10, while value of y is 11 and z equal to 10. So this is example of pre, means we have used here pre-unary operator to see the output. Let's change it to the post. What will be happen? See, x plus plus we have used, then we have used x minus s. Now it's become post unary operator. See the output. Again 10. So output is after operation value of x is 10, y is also 10, where z is 11. So this is post output. How it works? See, it will increment the operand value by 1, means 10 will be assigned to variable y. Therefore, y equal to 10 we are getting. And after that, x value will be incremented by 1. So, therefore, it is known as post. Means value is incremented or decremented after assignment of old or previous value. Therefore, it is called post. Similarly, for z equal to x minus 1, same working. So, let's see again through another example. 7, see, x equal to 7, y equal to 7 and z equal to 8. So, one more type of question is asked about unary operator. This is much important for aptitude test, means most of the people getting confused. So, see it carefully how it's work. Y equal to plus plus x, and then we have to use plus and again plus plus x. So, what will be the output? We are changing here. We have to remove z variable because we are using only x and y. So, therefore, we have removed variable z and percentage. See, 5. We put value 5. So, we are getting x equal to 7 and y equal to 13. Why? Because we have put the value 5 for the variable x. So, first it will increment the operand value by 1. So, it becomes 6. When it goes to the next x plus plus, so it becomes 7. Means first it will become 5 plus 1, 6. After that, 6 will be incremented by 1. So, now it's become 7. Therefore, 6 plus 7, y equal to 13 we are getting. So, therefore, output is y equal to 13 and x equal to 7. Why 7? Because 2 times x value is incremented. Therefore, we are getting the output 7 and y equal to 13. But output maybe varies compiler to compiler. Means when we use Turbo C compiler, in that case we will get the value 14. Let's see through the example to run it in Turbo C compiler. Alt F N. Then we have to use here both header file as include stdio.h as include conio.h, then void main. Then we have to declare variable x and y. CR SCR we have to use here because automatic screen will be not clear. So we have to use CLR SCR. For that purpose, we have used conio.h, and getCH also is defined in CLR SCR. GetCH function is also defined in conio.h. Sorry, we have taken input for x and then plus plus x, again plus plus x. So we have to print the output, print /n after operation value of x equal to %d /t, y equal to %d, then we have to print x and y semicolon. We have to also use getCH because output will be not displayed without getCH. So let's save it or compile or run it. Therefore, we have used conjugate.h because here we additionally use serious here and get ch. Control F9 to run 5. See the output. What happened? After operations, value of x is 7 and y equal to 14. We have already discussed earlier because what increment the 5 value by 1 means it will become 6. When it goes on next x plus plus, it will become 7. Since we are performing addition means arithmetic operations, so both time it will take the same value means 7 plus 7. So therefore y will be 14 whereas value of x will be 7 itself. What about post? See x plus plus, then we have again used x plus plus. Since we have used post operation, so what will be the output here? Means here suppose we put the value 5, so y will be taken as 10 means 5 plus 5 it should be 10. See 5 after operations value of x equal to 7, y equal to 10. Means it will not going to increment x value at the time of operations means it will take 5 plus 5, therefore y will be assigned 10. After that it will increment the x value 2 times means 5 will become 6 and then again it will become 7 because 2 time increment operator we have used here. Therefore, we are getting the output 7 plus 7 x equal to 7 and y equal to 10. C plus plus means GCC compiler. What will happen? See here. Here we will get the value 11. See the output. Suppose we are putting the value again 5. See the output. After operation x equal to 7 and y equal to 11. Why? Because at first line it will take the value 5 at first time and then when it goes to the next x plus plus, so its x value will become 6. Therefore it is performing in the additions 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Therefore y equal to 11 we are getting the output. So that is the all about unary operator. You may do the practice. If you find any difficulties, you may ask in comment. We will see rest of operators in next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.